Although much remains to be learned about this evolving technology, cryptocurrency has become a global phenomenon in recent years. There are numerous concerns and worries surrounding the technology and its potential to disrupt traditional financial systems. Hey everyone, I welcome you to Fact Coach, a channel where we provide hard hitting analysis of business case studies, health, and spiritual related content. So, if you find value in our content, then subscribe our channel, which gives us motivation to make better videos every time. So, in today's topic, we are going to discuss whether crypto is going to be our future currency or not. Therefore, grab your snacks and sit back and listen to this amazing podcast. Technically, anything can be considered money as long as the receiver and sender agree. For many years, this was how the barter system worked. In exchange for flour, people would receive rice. Alternatively, salt can be used in place of sugar. They didn't realize it at that time, but not everything is available or can be grown in the same quantity. As a result, some goods become more valuable than others. 1 liter of petrol, for example, is more valuable than 1 liter of water. The paper currency has contributed to some stability and has assigned a monetary value to every good and service. There is a generation that believes that paper currency, like other currencies, will lose its value or perish over time. One of their main concerns was the centralization of fiat currency, which gives banks and governments control over people's hard-earned money. Following the 2008 financial crisis, cryptocurrency emerged as a means to decentralize money. There were some who believed that as more people began to purchase these coins, their value would rise and they would emerge as a viable alternative to paper currency. In reality, it is impossible to rule out the possibility. Money as we know it has emerged and taken on new forms over the years. In fact, paper money did not become popular until 17th century. However, there are numerous obstacles that could prevent Bitcoin and cryptocurrency from replacing the US dollar and Indian rupee. Every economy is founded on the government's control of its currency. This enables the government to decide how much money to print in response to external and internal pressures. When cryptocurrencies replace the rupee or the dollar, that power is lost. Bitcoin, for example, has a limit of 21 million coins. This means that there are only 21 million bitcoins in circulation and no more can be created, even if there is a requirement. It appears unlikely that Bitcoin will completely replace the rupee, dollar, or any other paper currency. Coexistence is more practical, which is why regulations are becoming more important. For the time being, cryptocurrencies are vulnerable to tweets, reactions from major investors, players, stakeholders, observers, and even government decisions. A regulatory framework will protect it from all of these threats. Most investors also not considered cryptocurrency as a payment method. In comparison to the stock market or mutual funds, they use it to invest money and grow it quickly. This is why many coins haven't changed their IP address in the last few years, implying that they are mostly being hoarded. Even a country like the United States, where acceptance is higher than in India, is a long way from fully embracing cryptocurrency. There is no denying that the digital currency is the way to the future. There's a good chance that by the end of this decade, physical wallets will be obsolete and you will be storing money on your smartphone. But it won't be all crypto. There are governments, including India, that are attempting to develop their own digital currency. There have been reports that the RBI will introduce a digital rupee in the near future, which has a better chance of outlasting cryptocurrencies. Nonetheless, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, and other cryptocurrencies are likely to remain a part of our lives in the future, whether as money, investment options, commodities, assets, or in some other capacity. So guys, I hope that you liked this amazing video. Comment down what are your thoughts on crypto being the next currency of the world. Bye for now. Peace. Your growth means our success. Keep learning, keep growing.